Are you sick of having the same stuff as everyone else? Hear me out. Here's the situation. You rock up at that friend's place that you don't really like. You look around and you notice, oh hey, I have the IKEA Kallax storage cubes at home. Then you have a closer look and you notice, oh, that's the same generic, useless decor I got from Kmart. And you're left with that sinking feeling in your gut because you've realized you're the same as everyone else. You're not unique. You're not original. Until now, we're going to show you how you can make original decor that's good for the pocket, good for the environment, and is something you can be proud of. And we're going to do it all within a couple of minutes. So let's get to it. Bad boys that we got from our local thrift shop are the backbone of our decor experiment we got going on here. I can firmly say I'm not a decor expert in any sense of the word, and this is a bit of a step away from what I usually do in the woodwork and DIY sphere of things. You'd probably say it's a little bit less manly. It's not really tough guy stuff making decor, I guess, but I'm not ashamed to say it. I'm not. I enjoyed this project. I liked that it was attainable, easy for anyone to do. It wasn't expensive, and I got to do it with someone I love, my girlfriend Tara. And it really confirmed my belief that doing things for yourself, it can really change your life. Now, that sounds totally blown out and over the top, I realise. We're just making decor in the end. But I'm speaking from experience. A few years ago, I was hating my job, stuck in a rut, lack of confidence, lack of independence, and I just needed an escape. And DIY, woodworking, these type of things, they really changed my life. I can firmly say I'm more confident now, more capable. I've saved some money along the way, and I have a sense of pride in what I can do. So hopefully this video inspires you in some way to get out and give something like this a go. And hey, who knows, maybe it could change your life too. So far you've probably been watching along and thinking, yeah, got it, you're just painting some pots, mate, what are you going on about? But there is a twist, there's a secret ingredient coming up, so stick around. All we've done so far is given the pots a nice white undercoat, aiming for nice light even coats so there were no drips or unwanted marks. Look, I'm not naming names, but we didn't always get those light coats.
Oopsie, that was an oopsie.
I don't know if more paint's the answer.
It looks like a unicorn. Or maybe stuffed up.
Now, we use this Zinsser water-based primer, but I would recommend using something with a little bit more sticking power, like Zinsser Bin or the oil-based primer. We had no problems with this one sticking to the ceramics, but on glass, it didn't do such a great job.
Not good.
As good as the others. Well, let's not do that. Yeah, that's gonna do it. No, stop.
But the ceramics, no worries. It's great. Stuck real good.
Next step was adding colour and texture.
It's purple. Pink and purple. Oh. My nails!
Oh.
Help! No, seriously, can you actually help me now?
To add the colour, we just found the cheapest sample pots we could at our local hardware store. If you're in Australia and shopping at Bunnings, Taubmans seemed to be the way to go.
So we went for Taubmans?
That's it.
We went for Taubmans?
Taubmans, yeah.
Taubmans? Taubmans. So we went for this paint. Because it was the cheapest. Because we don't really know what we're doing.
And on the fly, we just picked the colours that we thought would be the coolest. Now, at the time, Tara and I had a bit of a disagreement about our colour selection. She wanted to go light, boring colours, and I wanted to go bright, vibrant, bold colours. So make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can see the final results. And you can leave us a comment to tell us whose was better, Tara's boring colours or my bold, bright, majestic colours. I think you know which way to vote. Alright, now to our secret ingredient. You can see it mixed in with the paint here. What it does is just create more texture and body to the paint so it holds its shape a little better. It does this through a combination of a chemical reaction occurring and the actual substance being a powder. The extra texture in the paint allows you to play around with different effects depending on how you apply it. We found that brushing it on generally made it look like it was a handmade ancient pot, and it gave it a bit of a rustic effect. Dabbing at it with the sponge almost gave it a bit of a furry modern effect. Ooh, cool. And dabbing at it with a rag gave it like a rendered masonry look. And we also used some painter's tape to give us a bit of half-half different colour variety. When it comes to mixing this concoction, you want to add on the less is more side with the secret ingredient, so you avoid situations like this.
I stuffed up.
Mate, what have you done? Are you baking bread?
If I had a proper mixing stick, maybe it would.
Oh, you reckon it's
I
the
reckon
stick
it's the
that's
stick
problem?
spot. Come listen to it. ASMR. Look at the chemical reaction. I've really stuffed up.
Well, I mean, you've got some texture.
Yeah. Well, we learn from our mistakes. We use a measuring cup instead of eyeballing it.
Take 2.
I'm using a smidgen. We can always add, we can't take away as we work.
Now, in just a moment, we're going to reveal the final product, and you can leave us a comment saying light if you like the light, boring colours, or bright if you like the bolder colours. Alright, enough messing around. If you haven't worked it out already from the little camera slips, the secret ingredient is baking powder. Yep, simple old baking powder. Not only is it good for your muffins, it's good for your decor. Now, honestly, are these the most breathtaking, eye-catching decor pieces you'll ever see? Probably not. They're a little shabby. Some of them are even odd-looking. But I'm happy with them. When I look at them, I think, I made them. It's different to the feeling I get when I look at the cheap things I bought from Kmart. I feel proud. And I think it makes this project worth it. And maybe it's worth you giving it a go. At the very least, it might end with you spending some time with someone you love.
Alright team, so we're undercoating. I was trying to channel
Alright, team.
I was trying to channel my inner Better Homes and Gardens. Wait.
Oh, just gotta fix the hair.
God, I don't have that.
Tags?
No, it's bigger. No. Oh my god. Oh! No.
Why are you laughing? It's not funny.
It's so awkward.
It's serious.
It's so awkward. Make sure you don't get any of the crappy stuff in the backyard in. My upper body has actually become a lot more toned and muscular.
Whoa.
He's being a shirt off wanker.
Yes, I am a wanker, but I'm less of a wanker if people know that the beach is right over there. And that I forgot any old clothes. And I don't want to get my shirt.
Yeah, but right now you can't see that the water's
I
just
know.
over there, so you look like a shirt off wanker.
Full wanker.
Done.